Hello everyone, welcome back. In this new video we will review how to use conditional executes. Before starting, let's have a look at the main website. Now here again we go to the tutorial section, and here you will see a bunch of information again related to the mathematics. I'll find the loops, and as you see here in this section you can see some examples about loops, how to create a function, and a little bit in conditional executions. Now let's start with this simple example. I'm writing the computer will do something if this condition happens. So it does. What if we don't have the condition? Another example. I want to check that if a number is even or odd. Oh, okay, it seems that there is a problem. Let's try to solve. So firstly, I would like to have a value for x, and I need to put 2 here. I forgot to put to write a 2 here. Now it works. So what if I don't have this space there in print? So you will see that there will be indented block problem. So in writing loop or if statements, we need to have indented structure. In this way. Let's try another example. In this example, we will have extra conditions. So not only we will have else, but we will have extra condition, and we will write it by elif. So the important thing is in writing the if statements is having, as I showed you, indented structures. So you see that we can change the values here, and we can test the result. Okay, let's do another example. So I'm writing I want to check that if a number is divisible by 6 or not. We know that a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. Here AND is a logical operator. We are able also to use OR. Not in this example. I mean generally we can use other logical operator. So as you see that, we can test a complicated example here. Let's try another example to make it condition inside of the condition. I mean a nested condition. So I make it this OR. Then I'll make it another if statement inside of this first condition. Now let's try an example here. We will get two results, the first one and the second one. We will not, so 20 is not divisible by 6, so we will get just the first one. Now let's have a look at the online Sage. Here I'm gonna copy one of the codes that we have written here. Okay. So here is how it works, as you see. Okay. Now before leaving, let's try the input here. When if I use input here, because here Sage Online doesn't support the input command, so it's one-sided, so you won't be able to use input there. So alright, this is last thing that I wanted to talk in this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.